Hey everybody, in this video we're going to be looking into electromagnetic waves. From Faraday's law of induction, we know that a changing electric field produces a magnetic field. In 1865, John Maxwell recognized that through symmetry, a magnetic field must produce an electric field. Maxwell's dynamic theory of the electromagnetic field demonstrated that electric and magnetic fields travel through space as waves, moving at the speed of light. Light was also proposed to follow this same phenomenon as magnetic and electric fields. At this time, there was still the wave-particle duality of light going on. This theory of Maxwell's meant that by accelerating an electric charge, electromagnetic waves are produced. This led to all current production of electromagnetic waves: radio, TV, microwaves, mobile phones, etc. The speed of an electromagnetic wave depends on the medium, that is, the material in which it travels through. The maximum speed that it can achieve is 3 × 10⁸ meters per second, which is through a vacuum. There are three fundamental components of the wave: its speed, wavelength, and frequency. The speed is going to remain constant for all electromagnetic waves traveling through the same material. The wavelength and frequency will change depending on the amount of energy that is provided to that wave. And our fundamental components are related by the speed is equal to the wavelength times by the frequency. This animation shows an electromagnetic wave. The components are perpendicular to each other. The magnetic field in red is perpendicular to the electric field in green. Notice how they increase and decrease with respect to each other. That is to say that the magnitude of one is the negative of the magnitude of the other. They are also moving in a sinusoidal pattern towards the direction of travel. As electromagnetic waves travel in a straight line, the shadow that they produce depends on their source. If it is a point source, we will have clear, distinct edges. However, if the source is not a point source, then the shadow will have fuzzy edges. In summary, we've looked at the very simple properties of electromagnetic waves. The electric field and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other. We've introduced the idea that speed is equal to the wavelength times by the frequency, and the idea that the speed will vary depending on the medium that it travels through. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.